class 7th. I am the student of Women's Mission School, Katrasu. Standing here to give some information about a very great topic, that's English and its grammar. First of all, let me tell you that most of the students say it like grammar. It's not grammar. According to syllables, it's grammar. Grammar. So, let's start by understanding about English. Where did it came from? English is a language like other languages. It is derived from England. And from the starting, its name was not English. It was Anglo-Saxon. During the 5th to the 7th century. After this name, another name came, that's the English. After that name, one more name came, that's the English, which we call it nowadays. And one more point is that there were 27 alphabets in English. Now you might be wondering, what was the 27th one? The 27th one was the ampersand, which we use nowadays as a short form of and. Now there are only 26 alphabets A to Z, consonants and vowels, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Also, there are 44 sounds in which there are 24 consonants and 20 vowels. After understanding this, let's move next topic, that's about grammar. Well, grammar stands for growth, real, attitude, man, mind, ample and range. That's the full form of grammar. And it's not an English word. It has been derived from Greek Latin language, that's grammatica technique, which means art of letters, art of writing a letter with its sequence. Then entering into the Old French in the shape of the word grammar. Now you might be wondering, what's the meaning of grammar? Dear viewers, let me tell you, don't be elucidate, let me tell you the meaning of grammar. According to the perspective of my favorite English teacher, grammar is the way through which words can be put together in order to make sentences. Example, I write a letter. Here, words are put together and they formed a sentence. After this, let's move forward. That's about the letter, word and sentence. Letter. Letter is the smallest unit of any language. Example, A, B, C and so on. These are the smallest units of any language. Like these are the starting of any language. After letter, words are formed. Word is the combination of letters. Example, school. Here, words are used and they form, letters are used and they form a word. Afterward, sentence. Sentences are formed. Sentences are the group of meaningful words giving complete sense. Example, I eat a mango. Here, this is giving complete meaning, and here are the combination of words. Thanks, that was all for today.